If you are watching this video, you might be a kid or a teenager who is aspiring to achieve your dreams even at a young age. But you don't know where to start, so now you are looking for a way to kickstart your career. At a young age, I know it is hard to get a job that will pay you decent money to make a living. Good thing you are watching this video because today I will show you how to make money as a teenager or a kid, or you could be an older person just trying to make some extra cash. But it doesn't matter because with this technique, you can start making money online at home. And what I mean is that it's a real way to make money online. This is not a typical website where you will need to view ads for a few pennies or apps that will make you earn points and a way to rack those points before converting them to a couple of cash. What I mean is some real ways to make money online. And by doing this, you could be making hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the next days, weeks, months, and years. You can even start this one as an online business and grow it. There is so much potential, so as soon as you finish watching this video, then you can start now and make real cash. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. The first method is absolutely free and you can do it yourself, but it will take some time and skills for you to really pull it off. So if you can spend a little bit of money, it will speed up the process and you won't need the actual skills for this one. Either way, you can choose what you would want to do, and it's absolutely up to you. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't miss a single important step and really make this technique as efficient as possible and make some money than ever before. Hello, welcome to Money Kings, where we provide new videos on how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Just a quick favor, make sure you subscribe to Money Kings and drop this video a thumbs up. And make sure to click that notification bell to be notified every time we drop a new video and not miss out on the latest and the best possible ways to earn money online. Now, going to the video, what you are going to be doing here is you will be selling t-shirts. Now, this may sound hard at first, but you are not going to really create a new website or start your own brand of t-shirts. You will be designing shirts and you will sell them to teespring.com. Now, if you would go over to that website, you will see that there are different creators who are also doing the same thing and making money selling their own merch or selling their own designs for free, and they get paid when someone buys their t-shirt. And it is not limited to t-shirts only because you can also make hoodies, jackets, or even tank tops. Now, as I told you earlier, I am going to show you two ways to make it happen. So first, you can use canva.com. So head over to that website, then you will have to create your account by clicking sign up. Then after that, you will have to fill in the information being asked, or you can simply sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Then you can start looking for free templates that you can use to create your own design. Now, there will be a lot of templates here that you can find for all purposes, but you would want to click on the custom prints and you can select t-shirts, hoodies, or sweaters. It depends on what you are going for, but for the sake of this video, we will focus on t-shirts. Now here, you will find the templates that are available for you to use. Or you can also look at the categories over here and select whatever categories you want. For example, you can select the lifestyle and hobbies category. Now you will see that there are so many templates about lifestyle and hobbies that you can use as a base. But you also have the choice to create a blank t-shirt template if you want to create from scratch. Now, I would suggest just getting a free template if you are a beginner or if you don't have the skills for design. So you can select any templates that you want. It is better if you can select templates that are really interesting and will catch your attention so that later on people would be interested in your t-shirt and they will actually buy them. So when you have selected your desired template, you can start editing it. Just select Custom the template, then start making it your own. For example, you can change the text, you can change the font, make it bigger or smaller. You can even change the colors and add some elements and graphics. Or you can add photos. Now, if you want to add a different element that you can find on Canva, then you can simply search online. All you have to do is look for royalty-free images online and just click any website that offers you royalty-free images, which means there will be no copyright claims for those photos. For example, Pexels.com is a good website that offers royalty-free images that you can use at your disposal. Then, when you are satisfied with your design, just go ahead and save that on your computer. Now, if you can spend a little bit of money, all you have to do is hire somebody to make the design for you. Then you will upload it to your Teespring account. So how you will do this is you will have to head over to Fiverr.com. Now you can also sign up here the same way as you would on Canva.com. Once you have an account, you can see all of the freelance services that are being offered here. Almost every possible service that can be done online is available here. So what you would want to do is click the graphics and design section and look for t-shirts and merchandise. Or you can just search for it in the search box. Now you can find here a lot of people offering their services. As you can see, they are charging different prices. Some will charge for as low as $5 or $10. Some will also charge up to $50 to even $100. Now, because there are a lot of choices, what you would want to select is someone who charges pretty cheap but still has a good rating. So you will need to find the fine line for the inexpensive but will do the job right kind of person. Now they will do the design for you and after that, they will send it to you. Now if you are satisfied, you will save their design to your computer so you can choose the one that is most convenient for you. Either way, it will work just fine. Now once you have the design, all you have to do is go back to teespring.com to start selling your t-shirt. So to get started, click on the Start Creating button and you will go to Sign Up page. So you will create a suitable brand or business name for t-shirt, or you can just put in your name. Then type in your email and password and click on the I am not a robot to get verified. Now, what you will do is click on Start Creating. From there, you will choose your product. There are so many products here, but you can just select t-shirt just for this video. Now, you can select a t-shirt where you can put your design and you can test it and see what it would look like. Now, if you're aiming for a design that has no background, then you will have to make sure that your design is in PNG. Now, if that's what you want, you can tell the person from Fiverr that you want it to be in PNG. But if you do that on Canva, you will have to pay for it. So if you can spend a little bit more, then you can just pay for it. Because the return that you will get from selling this is much more than what you will spend creating your design. Now, going back to teespring.com, to put in your t-shirt, you will click on Add Image and upload the template that you created and saved on your computer. You can test this and see how it will look. Once you're satisfied, you can now select how much you would want to sell it. Now, the good thing here is that they will show you how much you're going to profit because, of course, teespring.com will take their own part in the sales because you are using their website and they will manufacture the t-shirt with your design every time someone buys a t-shirt. So you can experiment with this one. You can sell some of your designs for a cheaper price and sell the others for a more expensive price. And basically, do an experiment and see which would make you more money. Then, you can also add some description for your t-shirt. Once you're satisfied with everything, then just click on Publish Listing and you wait for a little bit. Then once all is done, your design will be uploaded on teespring.com and people will start to see your product and start buying it. You can see how much you've made on teespring.com's dashboard. And that is how you can make money as a kid or a teenager. If this video helped you, then you can check out our other videos and we will see you there. Also, click on that subscribe button so you will always get updated on the latest and most convenient ways to earn money, even if you stay at home. Click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share these ideas with others. Until we see you again, thank you for watching.